Hello, Business Math students. Today is Chapter 7, quiz number 1. It is due by May 22nd at 5 o'clock. So let's get started, and I'll read through them again. As I read through them, I will pause, but you can also pause the video if you need more time to figure out the answer. So question number 1 on Chapter 7, quiz number 1 says, Steve is 35 years old and bought a $250,000 term life insurance policy to ensure that his daughter would have enough money to attend college in the event of his death. What is his annual premium? So you need to use the chart on page 1 of Chapter 7 notes. So on this page 1 of this packet, so go to the chart. First thing you need to do before you use the chart, is to figure out how many thousands are in 250,000. So take 250,000, divide by 1,000, then use your chart and figure out how much per 1,000, and then multiply to find the annual premium. Again, pause the video if you need time. Question number 2. Ned bought an $80,000 whole life insurance policy at age 20. What is his annual premium? Use the chart on page 1 of Chapter 7 notes again. So take the 80,000, divide it by 1,000 to see how many thousands are in 80,000. Then use your chart for whole life, a 20-year-old, and find how much it costs by multiplying to find the annual premium. Question number 3. Tia took out a life insurance policy for $90,000. At the end of the 15th year, she turned in the policy for its cash, it should say cash value. How much did she receive from the insurance company? Use the chart on page 3 of the Chapter 7 notes. So go to that. First, figure out how many thousands are in 90,000 by dividing. And then look at the chart. See how by 15 years, how much each 1,000 is worth. And then multiply. Question 4. June's company pays 70% of her annual health insurance premium. If the total monthly premiums for the insurance is $475, what is June's share of the annual premium? So a month is $475. So the first thing you need to do is figure out how much it is for the year by timesing it by 12 months. And then if you figure out 70% of that, you can take that away from the total annual premium to figure out how much June's share is for the month. Pause the video if you need more time to figure out the answers for quiz number 1, Chapter 7. Don't forget to turn it in to me by May 22nd by 5 o'clock. And as always, be safe, stay home, and stay healthy. Have a good afternoon. Actually, have a good weekend. And we'll talk to you next time.